Hello friends. Today's word is blastocyst. After fertilization, zygote undergoes rapid cell division and forms a solid mass of cells on third day, known as morula. Fluid seeps into the morula and rearrangement of cells occur, which leads to the formation of a blastocyst on the fifth day of prenatal development. Two cell populations can now be distinguished within the blastocyst. Firstly, cells lining the cavity or the primary yolk sac, called trophoblast cells, and a small cluster within the cavity, called the inner cell mass or embryoblast. The embryoblast cells form the embryo proper, whereas the trophoblast cells are associated with the implantation of the embryo and formation of the placenta. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.